You ready to start that LLC in Pennsylvania? We've got you covered. We'll walk you through the 5 most important steps to set up your Pennsylvania LLC and show you how it can be done in just a few minutes. Bonus, we'll show you a few shortcuts and how you might be able to reduce or eliminate those formation fees. So, here are the 5 steps to forming your LLC in Pennsylvania. Starting with step 1, choosing a name. The first step seems simple but could turn out to be quite bothersome. It so happens that in Pennsylvania, naming issues are a major reason LLC filings are rejected. Naturally, you'd like to have a name that captures the purpose of your enterprise or defines its brand. Regardless, you should also follow these rules. The name should end with company, limited, limited liability company, an abbreviation of one of those terms, or a similar term. Avoid names that suggest your LLC is a government agency, bank, insurance company, nonprofit, public utility, college, or school, or any other business requiring special licensing. And your chosen name must be unique and different from all other existing names. To find important links and learn more about the naming guidelines set by the Pennsylvania Secretary of State, you can visit our Pennsylvania Formation page. You can easily check the availability of your chosen name for free by conducting a Pennsylvania business name search through the Pennsylvania portal online. There's a very slim chance that the name may appear available after a search, but really isn't. That's because there's typically a processing delay between filings and their appearance on the database. Once you confirm it's available, it's a good idea to secure the domain for your LLC's website ASAP. You could click the link below to check domain availability and get an automatic deal for a $5 domain. Even if you don't build your website immediately, registering the URL early is a wise move. Step 2, selecting a registered address. The second step is selecting a registered address. It must be an actual street address unless the LLC office is in a rural area, where only route box numbers are used. The registered address is where official communications will be delivered. The registered address can be your home address, the LLC office address, the address of a friend or a relative, or the address of a registered agent service. It may be best to go with a commercial service. Such a service is inexpensive, costing about $10 a month. Doing so will provide a measure of privacy since a registered address is public information. Using your home address may give you a degree of exposure that leads to unwelcome intrusions. Moreover, all those hours you spent on paperwork can now be devoted to running your business. If you use Northwest, they'll provide agent services to you for free for 1 whole year. We like them, they've been doing this for over 20 years, so they're pretty good at it. And they actually scan and upload every piece of your mail so you're able to check what's being received by logging into your account. Step 3, filing your LLC Certificate of Formation. Next up is filing your LLC Certificate of Formation. This document includes crucial information such as your LLC's name, its registered address, and the name of all those involved in organizing the LLC. To file your LLC Certificate of Formation, you'll need to complete Form DSCB 15-8821, Certificate of Organization, and pay a filing fee of $125. If you're a veteran or reservist, you're in luck. You can file for free. If your LLC is based in another state and you want to do business in Pennsylvania, you'll need to register the LLC using Form DSCB 15-412 Foreign Registration Statement. The filing fee for that is $250. Whether you're filing to form an LLC or register one already formed, the applications must be accompanied by a Form DSCB 15-134A Docketing Statement New Entity. There are 3 ways to file your LLC Certificate of Formation in Pennsylvania. The most convenient option is to file online through the Pennsylvania Business One-Stop Shop. Create an account there first if you don't already have one. Alternatively, you can download the appropriate form, complete and file with the right fee either in person or by mail at this address here. Step 4, creating an LLC operating agreement. Although not required by Pennsylvania law, it's highly recommended to create an LLC operating agreement. This document keeps everyone on the same page and minimizes conflicts. An operating agreement outlines important details about your LLC's ownership structure and operating rules. It covers aspects such as members' rights and responsibilities, profit distribution, and internal procedures. Some banks may actually ask for one along with a business plan when you open a business bank account or pursue loans. To make things easier for you, we've provided a free operating agreement template on our formation page, and we've also included a free business plan generator there too. Step 5, obtaining an LLC EIN, Employer Identification Number. The final step is to obtain an LLC EIN, which is a federal tax identification number. This unique number allows the IRS to identify and track your business's taxes and filing status. You'll need the EIN to open a business bank account, manage federal and state taxes, and hire employees. The process is super simple and completely free of charge through the IRS. Just fill out the online form. Post-formation steps. After you've successfully formed your LLC, there are a few important things to keep in mind. Keep your business assets and transactions separate from personal ones to maintain the limited liability protection provided by your LLC. Mixing business and personal transactions may allow creditors to pierce the corporate veil, which is the separate legal status of the LLC. They can then take legal action against your personal assets, such as home and car, to recover debts they're owed by your business. Since an LLC is actually a separate legal entity or person, it should have a bank account or corporate card in its own name. This will also help the LLC to build business credit, which would be separate from your personal credit. You can find our preferred resources and cards by following the guide below. Having business insurance is wise, as all businesses face risks. Moreover, having some kinds of insurance is compulsory by state law. Consider hiring an accountant to help you manage your finances effectively. Having a business website is a must as well. If you're interested in building your website yourself, the links below will guide you. Additionally, each year you'll be required to file an annual report. Pennsylvania used to have a decennial report, but that was changed in November 2022 to an annual report. The filing fee is $7. Annual reports are due by September 30th each year. To simplify your life, let a service like Northwest manage the process of setting up an LLC for you. This will save you time and effort, which you can use to focus on running your business. And that's it. You've now learned how to set up an LLC in Pennsylvania. We hope you found this video really useful. If you have more questions, explore the rest of our channel and website for free resources and guides to start your Pennsylvania business. We've compiled lists of the best local Pennsylvania accountants, lawyers, and registered agents on our site. If you have any questions, hit us up